Hello iPhone users. So if your phone has low battery and you cannot find it, so there's one option that's gonna help you a lot for your safety. For that, open your settings, right, and slide it, or just search for Find My Location. You will get option of Find My Apple ID written beneath, and now you tap on that and you get these option on your screen. So for me, Find My Phone is on, right, but now I will tap on it again and I get this option where the last option is of send last location. So automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low, right? When this option is on, you have to turn this on as well so that the last option will be shared automatically to Apple. Hence, this feature is useful when the battery is critically low. It will automatically send the last location, which will help you to find it, right? So, as share my location is also on, the friends that I have will get the location. That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Tada!